Hello you guys, welcome to Journey with Char. On this lovely Tuesday evening, I come to you with the hot chocolate sticks from Trader Joe's. When I saw this, I was so happy, like a cat in a milk factory. You guys, look how awesome that looks, and I cannot wait to try it. These are the sticks. That's how they come. I don't know if you have these in your neck of the woods, but this is the first time I think I've ever seen the hot chocolate sticks, and I'm excited to try it, you guys. I just baked some chocolate chip cookies. This is the gooey chocolate chip recipe. I will link it below from YouTube. And all I did was added the mocha chips, the espresso chips, and just regular chocolate chips. So it's espresso chocolate mocha chips, and they look absolutely amazing. And I made these to go with the hot chocolate. So next up, we're gonna make this hot chocolate stick, and hopefully these come out wonderful. What I do love about it is that it's dark chocolate. To me, the hot chocolate milk chocolate is not strong enough. So what I love about this one is that it says dark chocolate right there, you guys. So we're gonna see, this is chocolate season. We're gonna see how these sticks come out. They're pretty thick. So you guys stay tuned for testing the hot chocolate sticks, okay? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I have the hot chocolate here. That's how thick it is, okay? I'm gonna drop that in this way. And then I'm gonna drop this one. Let me see. This way. And we're gonna see what happens. And then I'm going to drop this one. And as you can see, the smoke, it's very hot, it's steaming. Look how thick that is. This way. As you can see, the steam from the milk. So we're going to see how that adds up. Can you pass me a spoon? I'm just going to stir it. It says for you to stir it with a stick, but these are some really deep cups, you guys. They're pretty big mugs. So, yeah, we're gonna stir it from this angle and just see how rich and hopefully decadent. Oh, look at that. That looks like that's rich and decadent, hopefully, you guys. So that's how it's melting. So I'm just gonna keep stirring this one, and then I'll go over to the other ones in a few minutes. So if you just keep stirring, hopefully. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Now, if this don't taste good, now if this does not taste good, she is gonna tell you the truth. Because one thing I cannot stand is a hot chocolate that does not stand up to what it's supposed to stand up, or what it says it does. Oh, it's fantastic. Oh, it's delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna let this one finish melting. We're gonna go over to this guy, and we're gonna stir him. Look at that chocolate, I love it. It smells amazing. So I'm just gonna keep stirring this. I want you guys to see. And remember again, that is the hot chocolate sticks right there. And we're stirring. This is almost like the Carl hot chocolate that you get from Neiman Marcus, but he's, you know, a snowman shape. I'm gonna be getting one of those soon, you guys. I do have a video on him. And he's pretty good. He's not too sweet. That's what I like about him. He's not, when hot chocolate is overly sweet, it's not good to me. Alright, so there we go. Look at that. All three. And then we're going to go back. I'm going to let my family taste it, because it's 3 of us. There we go. Just keep a stirring. Keep a stirring. Try to get those sides. I don't feel any more hot chocolate in there. So I'm gonna go back to this one. So this one's gotten darker. So look at the difference between this one and the first one. So it does get darker. Those of you who are like, ah, that's not dark enough. Once it gets settled, it gets darker. So love that. So let's stir this again. Make sure all of the hot chocolate is incorporated nicely. Got some on the side there. Smells wonderful. Okay, you guys, so now we're about to do the taste test. Can you guys come taste this for me? Now we're going to do the taste test. Family members, you can grab whichever one you want. Taste it so far. I love for my family to taste it first. My here, this is yours. Is it good? Okay, so far Joshua says it's fantastic. Now, this is what it looks like, you guys. Really, really nice. So let me taste it. Wow. I love it. Okay, so let me tell you why I like this hot chocolate. I like it because it's dark. And it's delicious. However, those of you who like the real sweet hot chocolate, you're not gonna like this because it's not overly sweet. It's not overly sweet. So let me taste that again. It's good.
It's really good.
It's really good, you guys. It's really good. Now, I'm gonna tell you the truth. It's dark chocolate, like I said. It's not too sweet. You can add extra chocolate to it if you want to make it more richer and thicker. It's a slight little aftertaste. I know dark chocolate can give at times, but this one's a little different. But it is still a thumbs up for me. I think it's really, really good. So that's it. You can make that thicker if you want. You can use 2 of these sticks. I would suggest you not, but you can use 2 of these sticks. It's really good. It's a nice hot chocolate, not overly sweet, like those packages that you get, the Swiss, whichever that kind is, the packages that you get. It does not have that same overly sugary taste, and it's just the right amount of sugar, and it's a nice dark chocolate. So there we go. That is the hot chocolate sticks, you guys. And these cookies, I will put the recipe below. And those dark chips that you see there, y'all, that is the espresso chips that she snuck in there. Hopefully I don't stay up too late tonight. So I'm gonna have one of these little cookies, drink the rest of my hot chocolate, and I am done. So if you guys are interested in this hot chocolate sticks, make sure you stop by your local Trader Joe's and test it out for yourself. Let me know, did you like it? How did it taste to you? Or do you prefer another kind of hot chocolate? And if you do, please give that information below, because I love hot chocolate and always love trying something new. Okay, so I wanted to give you this nutrition facts information for those of you who are concerned about the nutrition facts. There we go. And that 12 grams of sugar is not just 12 grams, it also includes the 12 grams added sugar. So it's 24% sugar in here in this entire box, okay, you guys? And it does contain, these are the ingredients, okay? Just want to give you that information for those of you who are concerned about the ingredients and the nutrition fact, okay? But I have to say again, it is fantastic hot chocolate. It is really, really good. I thought it had an aftertaste, but I think it was something maybe that I ate earlier. You guys, it is so good. Nice chocolate, dark chocolate, rich flavor. Not too sweet, just perfect. Especially if you eat a cookie with it. The cookie balances it out where it's not too sweet, okay? So enjoy. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Char. If this is your first time ever visiting my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. And also make sure you leave a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. And also please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in. You guys stay safe and stay warm in your neck of the woods. Thank you so much. Remember, trust God, keep Him first. He'll always lead you in the right direction. I'll see you soon. Bon appetit. Bye-bye.